Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the avoiding how to avoid the race conditions, right? Today we'll be discussing about the advanced script loading using defer and async, right? So defer ensures scripts execute in order after the HTML parsing. So again, I'm telling this is basically usually this will be asked in the interview, right? Um, uh, about the defer and async. So defer basically ensures scripts execute in the order after HTML parsing. Again, I'm telling. Let me explain again. Defer ensures scripts execute in the order after HTML parsing. Then what does async do? While async loads the scripts independently but executes them as soon as they are available. Where defer scripts execute in order after HTML parsing, and async loads the scripts independently but executes them as soon as they are available, right? So quickly I'll just consider this one. Let me create HTML file here. Suppose let's assume we are having this one. Just give me a second here. We are having two script files, right? One we have already have the two JavaScript file, namely one is script1 and another one is script2. Nothing but script1.js and script2.js. So if you want to include the script file, we can just give here script src, same thing. Within the head tag we have to give. I'll just give here script.js, and finally here we will include the term defer, right? So suppose this is script1 and we have one more JS file. Just assume we are having one more JS file. So we will include this one here just below. We can include in this way script2.js, right? So I hope the concept of defer is completely clear. So defer, it just ensures scripts execute in order after the HTML parsing, right? Then what does the async do? Async loads the scripts independently but executes them as soon as they are available. So suppose we are having one more script, one more this one JavaScript file, and we want to include that one using the async. So we can do it in this way. We can just give here script src equals some name. I'll just consider this one JavaScript file. Let's assume we are having the one more JavaScript file named script3, right? Script3.js. So we can just add the term here async, right? So we know that async loads the scripts independently but executes them as soon as they're available, right? Here async, yeah, basically mm, async use cases, it is ideal for the non-critical scripts like this one, analytics and all, right? So it's basically ideal for the non-critical scripts like analytics. So here I can just name this one analytics itself instead of this one script3, right? This will be relevant basically. So I hope the concept of async and defer is completely clear, right? So next let's try let's discuss on the understanding shadowing and the variable scoping issues, right? So for now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.